Hey guys, real quick reminder, Halloween is coming up. Don't forget to enter the giveaway. Every dollar you spend on gooseperformance.com will give you one entry to win. You guys already know the custom panel for the Chevelle for your front end 70 through 72. Do not forget, it'll come with the front panel and the radiator cover and all the hardware, stainless steel. You guys already know. Make sure you enter gooseperformance.com for your chance to win. What do you guys think, man? That's it, man. That's the swap series, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed that series with this blue 1970 Chevelle with the 427 blueprint stroker. Man, this thing is a monster. Now we just got to ship it back to Texas. James is coming your way, man. But you guys already know we got another project already lined up in the works, so stay tuned for that. But you guys got to hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and hit the bell for notifications. You guys already know. Stay wrenching.